In this video, I'll show you how to add a portfolio to your Wix website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a few different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding. And even see how different features work by clicking around the widget. And here is how the widget looks like on the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. And that's gonna bring you to this website where you have to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, go over the tools section, and right down here you'll see portfolio. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this video, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 4 tabs here which are content, layout, project, and style. The customization options might be different for other templates since the one I use right now is a photography portfolio. So if you choose other templates like videography or website, they might look a bit different from this one. Now let's continue with the steps. To add images for this portfolio, just click this add project button. From here you can type the name, description, details, and website into these columns. Then you can go ahead to these options to add pictures and video. And also you can add a preview button by clicking this add button and choose to upload file or from URL. You can click this 3 dots button if you want to edit, duplicate, or delete the project. Then you can also click and hold any project like this if you want to change its position in the widget. After that, you can scroll all the way to the bottom to find more customization options such as adding categories, add a widget title, the author, call to action button, and content language. Now let's move on to the layout tab. From here you can choose the layout from these options. You can choose grid, masonry, or list. Each of them have different settings here. For example, I'll stick with this grid layout, and this is the grid settings. You can set the columns, rows, spacing, and also the image shape. And you can also change the width here. After you finish with the layout, you can go to the project tab. Here you can change the style of this project. Since I didn't add any text and images when I was in the content tab, so there isn't any text appears here. But you can go ahead and add the contents in the content tab to see it for yourself. Once you've done that, you can click these options to choose the info that you want to display when people click or hover over on these portfolio images. And also you can choose what happens when people click on these portfolio items by clicking this action on project click button and choose from these options. Lastly, you can go to the Style tab to change the colors of different areas on your portfolio and pop up. For the portfolio, you can change the color of the background, the text, call to action button, the links, and also the project overlay. And for the pop-up, you can change the color of the background, the text, overlay color, call to action, links, and also set the text alignment to left, center, or right. Once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into ElfSite. Once you've done that, you should end up on the similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I'll add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the offsite code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. You can also adjust the size of this section by clicking and dragging this arrow up or down to fit the entire widget. Okay, now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a portfolio on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.